Welcome to Quick eSelling e-commerce platform learning center. Through this video, we will guide you on how to create product attributes for your store. Go to your seller dashboard and click on My Products in the menu. Under My Products, click on Product Attributes. Now, click on the Add Attributes button to create an attribute. Here, enter the name of the attribute which you want to create. For example, if you are selling women clothing and you have multiple size options, you can create size as an attribute. To set up the display order for the attributes, enter sort value here. For example, enter 1 to display size attribute at top on product listing page. In option field, enter the option values for the attributes. For example, we will create 3 attribute option values as large, medium and small. To enter more options, click on plus button. You can remove any option by simply clicking on minus button next to option value. Finally, click on Add Attribute button to save attribute and option values. Once you have created an attribute, you can use it with a config type of products. In this video, we learned how to create attribute and its option values. Thank you for watching the video. Happy eSelling with Quick eSelling.